Hey guys, it's Ms. Casillas. Today we're looking at solving multi-step inequalities. We're going to answer the question, how do I solve and graph multi-step inequalities? So to solve multi-step equalities, you are going to use the same steps as you would to solve multi-step equations. We're just going to have one difference at the end. So just like with an equation, you want to simplify both expressions on each side of the inequality sign first. So you're going to distribute if there are parentheses, and then combine like terms on the same side of the inequality sign. And then after we've simplified, it'll be a two-step equation, so you want to add or subtract to remove the constant, and then multiply or divide to remove the coefficient. And this is our one difference with inequalities versus equations. Remember, you have to flip the inequality sign if you multiply or divide by a negative number. So let's get started with number 1. First, I need to simplify. I have negative 8x plus 5 plus 2x is less than or equal to negative 13. So I can definitely simplify on that side of the equation by combining like terms. And negative 8x plus 2x is negative 6x. And I bring down the plus 5, and it's less than or equal to negative 13. So now I'm going to remove that constant of plus 5 by subtracting 5 from both sides. And I get negative 6x is less than or equal to negative 18. And then I'm going to divide by a negative 6. And I get x is greater than or equal to negative 18 divided by negative 6 is positive 3. I flipped the inequality sign since I divided by a negative. All right, now we're going to graph this on the number line. I'm going to put 3 in the middle, and then 2 and 1 right below it, and 4 and 5 right above it. And then that'll be a solid circle on 3 since I have the equal sign, 3 is included, and then it is 4 and 5 that would make that inequality true, so I'm going to shade towards that direction. Okay, let's look at number 2. So I need to simplify this left side first. So I'm going to distribute the 3 to inside the parentheses. So I get 3x plus 30 plus 6 is less than 0. And now I'm going to combine like terms, and I get 3x plus 30 plus 6 is 36 is less than 0. And now I'm ready to isolate the x by removing the constant, so I'm going to subtract 36. And I get 3x is less than negative 36. And then I'm going to divide by 3. And I get x is less than negative 12. I do not have to flip the inequality sign since I was dividing by a positive. So I get negative 12 in the middle there, negative 13, negative 14 right below it, and negative 11 and negative 10 right above it. And that'll be an open circle on negative 12 since it's just less than, and the numbers that are less than negative 12 are negative 13 and negative 14. So I'm going to shade towards that direction. All right, let's look at number 3. The first thing I need to do is simplify the right side of the equation. So I'm going to distribute the 2, and I get negative 16 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 8 minus 12. And then the next thing I need to do to simplify here is combine like terms. So I get negative 16 is greater than or equal to 2x, and then negative 8 minus 12 is negative 20. Now I'm ready to isolate the x since I've simplified everything, so I'm going to add 20 to both sides. And I get 4 is greater than or equal to 2x, and then I'm going to divide by 2. And I get 2 is greater than or equal to x. You can leave your solution set like that. I prefer to write the variable on the left side, so I'm going to flip this inequality, and that means I also have to flip the inequality sign. And now I'm ready to graph. X is less than or equal to 2. So 2 is going to go in the middle with 1 and 0 right below it, and 3 and 4 right above it. And then I'm going to have a solid circle, closed circle on 2 since 2 is included. And then we are less than 2. So that would be 1 and 0 that I need to shade towards. All right, number 4. I see parentheses. So first thing I need to do is distribute. So negative 1/5 times 15x is negative 3x. And then negative 1/5 times negative 35 is positive 7. And then bring down the minus 2, greater than 50. Okay, next thing I need to do to simplify here is combine like terms. So I get negative 3x, and then 7 minus 2 is 5, is greater than 50. And then I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, and I get negative 3x is greater than 45. And then I divide by negative 3. And I'm dividing by negative, so I have to flip the inequality sign, and I get x is less than negative 15. And now I'm ready to graph this solution set. I'm going to put negative 15 in the middle, and then negative 16 and negative 17 are right below it, and negative 14 and negative 13 are right above it. I have an open circle on negative 15, since that's not included, and negative 17 and negative 16 are what make this inequality true, since those are less than negative 15, so I'm going to shade towards those. All right, number 5, I need to simplify the left side by distributing the negative 7.2. So I'm going to bring down the 22 and then figure out what negative 7.2 times negative 4 is. So negative 7.2 times negative 4x is positive 28.8x. And then negative 7.2 times 3 is negative 21.6. And I want to know when it's less than negative 28.4. All right, still not simplified on this side. I need to combine like terms. So I need to combine 22 with the other constant of negative 21.6. So I need to figure out what 22 minus 21.6 is. That is 0.4. So I get 0.4 plus 28.8x is less than negative 28.4. And now I'm ready to isolate the x by removing the constant of 0.4. So I'm going to subtract 0.4 from both sides. And I get 28.8x is less than negative 28.8. And my last step to get x by itself is divide by 28.8. So I get x is less than negative 1. I don't have to flip the sign since I divided by a positive. So now I just need to graph the solution set of x is less than negative 1. So negative 1 will go in the middle, negative 2 and negative 3 are right below it, and 0 and 1 are right above it. It's going to be an open circle on negative 1 since it's just less than. And the numbers that make this inequality true are negative 2 and negative 3 since those are less than negative 1. Okay, last one, number 6. Have a bunch of simplifying to do on the left side of the equation. So first thing I need to do is distribute the negative 2 just to the numbers inside the parentheses. So I'm going to bring down the 9x. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. And then I bring down the plus 3 and greater than or equal to 9. Okay, still not simplified over here. I need to combine like terms. 9x minus 4x is 5x. And 6 plus 3 is 9. Greater than or equal to 9. Okay, next step is to subtract 9, remove the constant, and I get 5x is greater than or equal to 0. And then I'm going to divide by 5. And 0 divided by anything, or 0 divided by 5 is 0. So I get x is greater than or equal to 0. So I have my solution set. I just need to graph it now. 0 goes in the middle, -1 and -2 right above it, right below it, and then 1 and 2 right above it. We're going to have a closed circle on 0 since it is included, and the numbers that are greater than or equal to 0 are 1 and 2.